Vitamin B2 is essential to boost your biology. It's another vital tool in biohacking your health and wellness. From its humble beginnings as a mysterious yellow pigment to its pivotal role in Nobel Prize-winning research, vitamin B2 or riboflavin has emerged as a cornerstone of biohacking and integrative medicine. In this video, we'll embark on a journey to explore the transformative power of vitamin B2. Discover how this essential nutrient can help you to boost your biology by boosting your metabolism and energy levels, enhancing your cognitive function and focus, reducing fatigue and improve sleep quality, strengthening your immune system, promoting healthy skin, hair, and nails, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Unravel the mysteries of vitamin B2 deficiency and its devastating consequences, including fatigue, muscle weakness, and anemia. Learn how to boost your intake of vitamin B2 through a nutrient-rich diet and targeted supplementation. If biohacking your biology by boosting the essential nutrients your body craves is your goal, then join us on this journey into the world of vitamin B2, where science and nature converge to unlock the secrets of optimal holistic health and wellness. Stay with us to the end of this short but informative video. You don't want to miss a thing. Before we dive in, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It means the world to us. The first observation of a pigment in milk with yellow-green fluorescence can be traced to the English chemist Alexander Winter Blythe in 1872, but it was not until the early 1930s that the substance was characterized as riboflavin. Scientists isolated this substance and named it riboflavin, which means yellow flavin in Latin. 1897. Blythe isolation of lactochrome, a water-soluble yellow fluorescent material from milk whey. 1906. Hopkins' synthetic diets lacked an organic nutrient present in minute amounts in milk that stimulated appetite, food consumption, and growth in rats and mice. 1927. Goldberger proposed there was an anti-pellagra factor in eggs, milk, etc., and it was the same substance as water-soluble B identified by McCollum. 1927. Chick and Roscoe proposed the water-soluble B identified by McCollum was two factors, anti-beriberi B1 and the B2 factor. 1932. Georgi suggested B2 factor compromised an anti-pellagra factor and growth-promoting factor. 1932. Warburg and Christian extracted a yellow enzyme from yeast and demonstrated the yellow color was dialysable and could be recoupled to the enzyme. 1933. Kuhn isolation of lactoflavin from milk. Lactoflavin was the growth component in B2 factor and had the same characteristics as the factor isolated by Blythe. 1934-35, Kuhn and Carrer independently described the structure of riboflavin. 1935, Birch, Georgi, and Harris differentiated the anti-pellagra factor from the growth-promoting vitamin B2 factor or riboflavin. 1939, Sebrell and Harris demonstrated riboflavin was essential in man. Vitamin B2 is a water-soluble vitamin that is essential for many bodily functions, including energy production, metabolism, cell growth and repair, and nervous system function. Riboflavin is also important for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Riboflavin is found in both animal and plant-based foods. Here's a list along with their recommended daily allowance or RDA. The recommended daily intake of riboflavin for adults is 1.3 mg for men and 1.1 mg for women. Pregnant women need 1.4 mg of riboflavin per day, and breastfeeding women need 1.6 mg of riboflavin per day. Riboflavin is essential for many bodily functions, including energy production. Riboflavin is involved in the conversion of food into energy. Metabolism. Riboflavin is involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Cell growth and repair. Riboflavin is necessary for the production of DNA and RNA, which are essential for cell growth and repair. Nervous system function. Riboflavin is necessary for the proper functioning of the nervous system. Skin health. Riboflavin is important for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Riboflavin deficiency is a rare condition that is most common in developing countries and in people who are malnourished. Symptoms of riboflavin deficiency include skin problems such as cheilosis, cracks at the corners of the mouth, and angular stomatitis, cracks at the corners of the eyes, hair loss, glossitis, inflammation of the tongue, normochromic normocytic anemia, a type of anemia in which the red blood cells are normal in size and shape but low in number, fatigue, weakness, depression. Riboflavin supplementation are generally safe for most people. However, people with certain medical conditions such as kidney disease should talk to their doctor before taking riboflavin supplements. Vitamin B2 is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in many bodily functions. Most people can get enough riboflavin from a healthy diet. However, people with certain medical conditions, people who are at risk for riboflavin deficiency, and pregnant and breastfeeding women may need to take riboflavin supplements. As our journey into the realm of vitamin B2 concludes, let the golden glow of this essential nutrient illuminate your path to optimal health, vitality, and wellness. Remember, vitamin B2 is more than just a nutrient. It's a powerful biohacking tool that can help you to boost your biology and achieve your wellness goals. It's an intricate part of holistic health and integrative medicine. Boost your vitality, ignite your metabolism with the transformative power of vitamin B2, and conquer fatigue, defy the ravages of time, and boost your biology to its peak potential. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave us a comment. Let us know how you're doing on your wellness journey. Stay tuned for the next video in this vitamin series. It's all about the essential vitamin K, and you won't want to miss it. Until next time, stay radiant, stay empowered, and stay healthy.